Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your payment history on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find what you've paid for on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead and see your payment history on the Airbnb app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on Account Settings. Then click on Payments. Then click on Your Payments. So on this page here, you can essentially see all the payments that you've made on Airbnb. So it'll organize it by year and then organize it by date. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your payment history on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.